How to draw a T-Rex, step by step. Hey everybody, so for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing the first arm of our T-Rex right in the center of the page. The arm will appear to be very small as well as curled. Well done! Next we'll draw the nails of our Tyrannosaurus Rex by using long triangle-like shapes. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now above the arm and to the left, we're going to begin to make a big L-like shape. This will be the jawline of our T-Rex. Now below and to the left of that L-like shape that we just drew, we're going to draw another line that will be a long curved line going down past the arm that we previously drew together. Now starting at the top of the point of the line that we just drew on the left hand side, we're going to draw the second arm of our T-Rex. This will be the same size as the one that we first drew together. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post. Now we will draw the nails on this hand just how I did the first by using sharp triangle shapes. The next step will be slightly complex, so be sure to pause the video as you go. We're going to begin at the top point of the arm that we just drew, and we're going to draw a long curvy line extending over the L-like shape that is currently above the first arm that we drew together. This will help make the outline of the top of the head of our T-Rex. Nicely done. Next we're going to draw one line which will help make the mouth. We're going to draw a long curvy line that will connect to the end point of which we just finished, that will be right next to this L-like shape in the center. We'll draw a second line that is connected to the one that we just drew, and it will connect all the way down to the L-like shape to help make the bottom of the mouth. Now we'll draw the very sharp teeth of our T-Rex by using triangle-like shapes, similar to what we used for the nails. Now directly above the nose we have the mouth. We're going to begin to draw one nostril because it will appear as if just one side of the face is showing. We're going to make this nostril by using one very small shape. A little to the left we'll draw the eye. The eye will be made by using a shape similar to a circle along with a small dot in the center for the pupil. We'll add detail around the eye by using small curved lines. So far this is coming along very well. Now right below the mouth we're going to draw a long curvy line which will help make the body. We're not going to finish the body just yet. Directly below that curved line we will begin to draw the first leg of our Tyrannosaurus Rex. We will draw two curvy lines, one on the left and one on the right hand side. The one on the left will be slightly shorter than the one on the right. So as you can see, we have a big empty space on the bottom of the leg. We're going to close this off by drawing the foot. On the foot, we'll have a total of 4 toes on this leg. Similar to how we use triangle-like shapes for the nails and teeth, we'll do the exact same thing but for the toes. Awesome! On this foot we just have to draw 2 more toes. The smallest toe will be the one that we draw last. The next big thing that we have to draw will be the tail of our T-Rex. We're going to begin to do this right now. We're going to go up here at this point which we finished earlier on, and we're going to draw a long tail that will extend and connect back to the leg that we just drew. Beneath the head and connected to the left arm, we have a curvy line that is not yet connected to the leg. We're going to make this connection right now. Beneath the body and to the left, we are going to draw the left leg. The difference between this leg and the right leg is that the foot will only have 3 toes because of the perception of how our dinosaur is standing. Is a T-Rex your favorite dinosaur? If not, comment your favorite dinosaur down below. Or if a T-Rex is your favorite dinosaur, then comment T-Rex down below in the comments so that we know who's your favorite dinosaur. If we have not yet drawn your favorite dinosaur, then be sure to comment it down below so that we can get down to that drawing for you. Fantastic! Now we have the outline of our drawing completed. We just have to go back and add some details. For the first step of adding details that I will do, I will go up by the mouth and I will add a small curved line to help make the back of the mouth. Beneath the jawline and to the left, I will draw a curvy line going up and down that will be relatively small. I will add in a few more curved lines similar to this on the top of the right leg. Next, all along the back of our dinosaur, we will add in triangle-like shapes for detail. At the end of today's drawing tutorial, I will post a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match the colors if you choose. All the way on the end of the tail to the right, I'm probably going to go back in and add in one more triangle-like shape just so it looks like it's all over the back. Now we can take the next couple moments to add in any more details that we previously did not add in together. Thank you everybody for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. You did a great job today. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so that you can help us hit our goal of 10,000 subscribers and that we can keep you up to date on all the latest drawings that we post. Also, be sure to give this video a big like if it helped you out today so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. As always, I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.